Holy moly, I forgot to put posts on Instagram this week. I'll do it next week, I guess. Has this been your business before? Finding time to focus on your social media content can be draining and consume way more time than you would normally want. Your friend G here from Marcosis, and in today's video, we're going to show you how your business can create 1 month worth of social media content in 1 day and streamline the entire process of content creation. Having to think of new content every day or week is draining for anyone, let alone someone trying to run a business. But there are simple tips you can use to allow you to set up to 1 month worth of content in just 1 day. This is the approach Marcosis uses on our social media platforms as well as our clients, and has proven to be a successful method. First, you must determine the number of posts you're going to be producing, as well as the channels you want to use. It is important to understand your business industry and how relevant content for this industry is to your consumer. This could be 1 per week or 1 per day. You must determine the number of posts you want to share per week that is realistic and relevant to your business. From here, you must choose the correct platform to share these content. Well, Instagram and Facebook are the most popular, and for a good reason. Majority of Australians are on at least one of these platforms, with many being daily users. There are endless amount of platforms to choose from. However, all have slightly different demographics, giving plenty of choice for your business. Now that you have determined how many posts and what platforms you are going to use, you can now categorize your content. This makes it much easier to think of ideas for content, as it can be catered to a specific category for your business. Let's use the standard cafes as an example. Cafe X, or sexy name there, has chosen to post 5 times a week on Instagram and Facebook. 5 categories for this business could be 2 posts showcasing your products, simple photos of your coffee, your toasties, or whatever else you're selling. This is a great way to show your customers what they're missing out on when they're not buying from Cafe X. 1 informative post. This post can be relevant to the cafe's business, perhaps a statistics about coffee consumption, a fact about your local area and where people can find your business, or your business opening hour on a certain weeks when there is a public holiday. 1 funny memes type post. This post will also be relevant to your cafe business, but try to encourage laughter, shares, and engagement with your post and page. 1 special offering post. Perhaps Cafe X can have a sales on a certain product. Buy 1 coffee, get a cookie for free. Different offering like this are great ways to encourage more people to your cafe. Now that you have established the number and the categories for your post, you can start to create these contents. Having photos and graphics ready for each post, as well as the caption ready for post, streamlines the content creation process. Organizing this in a simple Excel spreadsheet is a great way at keeping track at where you are on your social calendar. Finally, posting. If you have a well-organized Excel folder, you can simply have the content ready to post on the day you have set. However, if you want to be even more efficient, your business should take advantage of Facebook and Instagram scheduling system. These platforms allows you to schedule posts ahead of its time, which is a massive time-saving hack when it comes to creating content. Choose the time and the day you want your post to go public. Input the graphical contents and text, click schedule, and there you have it. You have just set your content for the next few weeks. While this may seem easy in theory, it can still be quite difficult to think of all the different captions for your post. This is where Marcosis can help you. Give us a call today and we can assist you in content creation for your social platforms. That's it for today's video. If you found this content useful, please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also find us on social media platforms here. I've been G from Marcosis, and I'll see you in the next video.